Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I set up a little Easter dinner for us. I wanted to surprise my kids with everything that's going on in the world right now, and us not being able to have our family come over. I still kind of wanted to make it feel a little special for them. So what I did was I just took some of our decorations I used last year, and some of the stuff I actually used last year and I used it outside, but I'm not quite sure what the weather is going to be like tomorrow. So just in case, I just set it up inside, and I think it looks rather cute. It gave it the whole Easterish feel. So I'm still going to try and do an Easter egg hunt. We put together probably about 150 or so eggs. Yeah, so we have about 150 eggs. We start off with 200, but my husband was like, no, that's just too many. And we got pretty tired putting them all together. But we do have a few eggs to put out, and I'll do that tomorrow when the kids are doing something else. All right, so I'll show you what I did to create this look. I used everything that I had in my home because I can't get out to the stores to get the items that I need. Plus, again, it's only just the five of us, so I didn't want to go too all out for it. But what I have here is my pink plastic tablecloth that I already have from the dollar store. I have my chair covers, white, and I've already had these chair covers because I do a lot of family parties. And the chair sashes, I just did alternating colors of green and yellow. And as you can tell, there's only 5 chairs because, again, my family is not able to come over. And then what else do I have? I have the yellow paper plates from the Dollar Tree. And then I just put a green plate inside. And then I have my yellow paper cup with my green napkins just to kind of tie the whole color scheme together. And I love bling, so even on my plastic tablecloth, I threw on a gold bling table runner. I think it actually just adds to the table. Like, you don't really even pay attention to that. You know, the tablecloth is plastic. You know, the gold table runner, adds to it and kind of takes your mind off of that. So what else do I have next? Oh, I have my, as far as centerpieces, I just did something basic. I just have these gold eggs, the smaller ones, and then I just alternated with the larger of the white and green eggs. Yeah, so I didn't go all out. My kids are, I think they're just going to love the fact that we actually are doing something for Easter and not actually just sitting upstairs and just eating a regular dinner. So, again, I am trying to make it a little special for them. As far as the backdrop, I have a few of my props. These are the ones that I were telling you that I use outside. So last year we had all these little prop things outside, but I don't know what the weather's going to be like again, so we'll just use them inside. And I really like these. They're cute. They're kind of sturdy, and they lasted they lasted us a whole year. So Bunny right here, he did go through it. He's a little broken, but it's okay. And then just to add a little color to the room, I added some uplights. So I added about, was it four uplights? So I have the yellow over here, blue, green, and then on this sidewalk, it's supposed to be pink, but it's coming out purple. And then I'm trying to create a backdrop for the wall so that when we do our family photos tomorrow, I just took some cutouts of some bunnies and just put them on the wall so our kids can go back and forth with taking pictures up against the props, or they can come here up against this bunny wall. Here are my kids' Easter buckets. We cannot find their Easter baskets, and because we can't get to the store, we had to improvise, and we just found these buckets around the house. So that is it, you guys. I hope that my kids will be very happy that Daddy and I stayed up till it's probably like 2:15 right now in the morning. And I still have to get up early in the morning and go put out all 100 and some Easter eggs for our Easter egg hunt that we're going to have for them. But I think they'll be excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And I hope you guys have a great Easter. And I will chit chat with you in the next one. Take care.